Sit down. You talking to? Sit down. I'm not even bothering you. I'm not even bothering you. Don't come up.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. This is Eli from Africa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time, please consider leaving a comment, subscribe and share the information widely. So let's dive into this video, then have a quick discussion at the end of it.
That you can't.
Can I scan your app, please?
You can't. You told me you can't fulfill my order.
Can I scan your app, please?
Yeah, after you answered my question.
Can I scan your app, please?
You're acting very hostile.
I'm not. I'm asking you to scan
Okay,
your app.
and I'm asking you. You're telling me you couldn't blend my smoothie.
Your app so I can give you your refund. You're
Okay.
holding up the line.
No, you're holding up the line.
You're holding up the line. Can I get?
I need you to confirm that you said,
Can I get you your refund, ma'am? Would you like your refund?
ma'am.
I don't like to be recorded. I don't
Okay,
appreciate
but you
it.
told me that you couldn't blend my smoothie.
Can I get your card so I can?
No,
give you
not
your
until you
refund?
confirm why you couldn't make my smoothie right.
Can you give me your card so I can?
Did you hear me?
I
No.
hear you. I'm not deaf.
Okay.
I'm not. Can I get your?
I'm asking you to confirm you couldn't make my smoothie.
Because you're being very inconsiderate to the people behind you right now, and I don't appreciate you recording me and having your phone in my face.
It's not in your face.
So it is in my face.
This is here and you're there.
Understandable, but you're being very inconsiderate to the people behind you, and I'm just trying to help you at the moment.
I'd like-
Can I get your gift card, please.
Can you just give me the cash and my receipt with your name on
Your
it?
gift card?
No, ma'am.
Can I get your gift card?
No, ma'am. Give me the cash. That's fine.
Well, your change is $10.56.
You wrote your name on the receipt?
Have a good day.
All right.
Who's opening an umbrella during an indoor graduation ceremony?
Take her. She's over here hitting me. Both of y'all come on upstairs. Both of y'all. Come on. Vámonos, por favor. Vámonos, señora, vámonos. Vámonos. Por favor.
Now this Karen is a professional gaslighter and sits there minding his own business, and this Karen took it personally.
I'm not even bothering
No, you
you.
looking at me. That's bothering me. You looking at me.
Well, that's too bad.
Reason. Keep your eyes to yourself. I don't give a f about that security guard.
Come up on me. Don't come up on me, okay? Don't come up on me, okay? Don't come up on me. Don't come up on me, okay? Don't come up on me. Sit your down. Sit your down. Sit your down. I'm not even bothering. Sit your. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
You talking to?
Sit down. I'm not even bothering you. I'm not even bothering you. Don't come up. Don't come up on me. I told you not to come up on me. I told you don't come up on me.
Oh, where you going at? We gotta pull over. I told you, since you gotta get off this bus. Nigga, start yourself.
Yeah, I got the whole thing on video too.
I thought everybody knew drinking and smoking inside a McDonald's wasn't allowed, and yet here we are.
I didn't touch you, but you did not touch me. Get your hand on my motherfucking face. Let's go. Get your hand on my motherfucking face. And get back to work. Get your hand on my motherfucking face. Listen. Now. Cross the line. I didn't. I didn't. You crossed the line. You crossed the line. You crossed the line. And I'm not. What's up? No, you crossed it. You crossed it. You crossed it. What's up? What's up? And I'm gonna deal with this already. What's up? No. What's up? What's up? No, Daddy, stop. I'm not playing with you. What's up? All right. You crossed the line. I told you, you couldn't fucking drink and hit. Oh no, you didn't tell me nothing. That was the end. You told me to leave, and you came over there and you interrupted me by my meal. You didn't ask me to stop smoking. You didn't ask me to stop drinking. You didn't ask me to. You didn't ask me to do. You asked me to leave.
Did you call the police?
No,
You call the police?
You didn't.
All right.
Call the police. It recorded. No, recorded. You never asked me to stop smoking. You never asked me to stop smoking.
Get the
You never asked me to stop
Get the
smoking.
customer
You're not going to put my hands in my face. You're not going to touch me. And you're not going to touch me.
You get
And they're going to touch everybody.
You got to get space first. Excuse me.
Which makes me go back. No, you go ahead. You go ahead. You go ahead.
I don't know why the I think somebody.
I don't know why I'm still here.
No.
I just make them on. Don't have to pretty fool you. Don't have to pretty fool you.
Oh, we didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay. You a punk.
What could have very easily been an honest mistake, this Karen believes is the end of the world.
Dude, this lady's freaking out. Look at her. Mind you, by this point, she has already followed me a few blocks.
I got 3 kids in the car. You think that was funny? You almost hit me, and I got 3 kids in the car, you stupid white. So wherever you go, I'll be there. In your own lane, when you're turning, you don't merge into another lane. You don't. I don't know where you suck. Go get your license, but you should go back.
I love this. Keep going. This lady is off one. So this lady is like following me. She is doing road rage. Can you call the police for me? I work here. She's going crazy. Please do not interact with this person. They are a danger.
If she's got 3 kids in the car, she's got a lot to learn about parenting.
I did not vehicular manslaughter you, miss. There's 2 lanes that turn left. There's 2 lanes that turn left. You're so wrong, miss. Miss, you're so wrong.
So I'm ready to go. If you would like to handle this, we can pull over.
We are pulled over. You just punched me.
I know.
Why did you punch me, miss?
You tried to kill me and my
I didn't try to kill you and your
Let's go,
kids.
honey. Let's go, because they want to get in.
I don't want to do this right now.
Let's go.
Nicki Minaj live streams herself getting arrested. Ouch.
Where am I going? I have no idea where I'm going.
You have to go to the police station.
What address is that?
It's 5 minutes away. It's 5 minutes away.
What's the address of the police precinct?
When you will catch your next show, we have to do it very fast, and we will help. But
You're talking about my show?
yes,
What about it?
yeah, we talk.
Said they will help to try to get you there.
They'll help to try to get me to my
Yes.
show.
So you
How?
can act very quickly.
To do it as soon as possible. But we can.
What am I doing? What am I doing? I never
are
gave
under
anyone.
arrest.
I never. So I'm under arrest.
Yes.
But
Yes.
under arrest for what?
Okay. Stop filming now.
I'm under arrest for what?
Okay.
Do you
Stop
know what
filming
happened
now.
when I came
You have
here?
to go inside.
Huh? What you said?
Can you please stop filming? Please just step in the car first.
No, I need a lawyer, because I don't know where I'm going.
You will get a lawyer at the office. You can contact the lawyer, but if you just step in the car, then it will go as fast as possible.
And who's going in this vehicle?
So please step.
He will go with you.
Oh, come on, Nikki. This really isn't a good look.
Tell me again.
The police officer told me we have to offload all the luggage
Okay.
and to search everything
Okay.
of your luggage. I'm so sorry to say that.
But isn't that what you planned on doing from the get-go? Why didn't you guys search it before it went on the plane?
They did just a random quick check, but now they want to open
Why?
it. And first of all, because you filmed him, and he was like,
Because I filmed him.
yeah, he was like, he doesn't believe you that you don't have more with you than you say.
No, he asked me, do I have any more in those purses? And I said no. And I asked him, where are my bags? They took my bags and put it on the plane before I could know what bags are on the plane.
I see.
Yeah. So.
I'm so sorry for that.
Okay, of course.
Do we have a Kevin customer or a Kevin officer here? We'd love to know what you think.
Can
Just leave.
There's no strolling.
Not guilty of the day.
Junkies.
What was that?
He didn't call you a junkie. He didn't call you.
Is that? You know what he called me, do you?
He didn't call you a junkie.
I just said junkies on that.
What was that?
Going.
I just said you might get junkies on that.
Aye.
Didn't call anyone. Did you?
Andrew.
Yes, mate.
Aye.
How you doing?
No bad, mate.
Good stuff.
What did you get a call for?
I didn't.
What did you get a call for?
I didn't. I was coming to give a-
I'm sorry. I was thinking. I was thinking.
I bought this, and I bought this. I bought this too. Stuff, David. Look, I bought this. But Pharisee, I've got 100 stuff.
Hey!
You're not squaring up to me.
Hey! Well, you're not off of me, yeah?
Karen learned some harsh lessons about the law the hard way.
This is my bag.
You gotta give him space, okay? Give him space.
Because he does this every single time. It's crazy. I'm crazy. Where am I gonna go?
9-9. It's
Tonight, do you hear him?
Okay. I'm taking care of
He's
it.
lying.
We need you to stay away from here.
Lying.
what was going on in the first place? What's happening?
It's so dumb. How do you offer to pay for somebody to buy somebody something and then buy it for them and then get mad at them out of nowhere and then take it back and want to return it? If you don't want to buy it in the first place, you never should have. You should be buying 2 pairs. Then I put 1 pair back. But then when he got mad because it took too long to get those pairs, then I take these saying he doesn't see the narcissist.
I know you're upset.
You order it, you fitting suit, you want you mad because your suit don't fit? I don't want this wall.
Back up.
Go ahead. Okay, you're gonna go. You're not gonna act tough. You want to go in handcuffs? Yes. You're not gonna act tough, okay? So unless you want to go in handcuffs, stop it. You're gonna exit the mall now. Do you understand?
Officer eyebrows. Calm the down, okay? Calm.
And so the cops begin to escort her out of the building.
I just wanted this cross, like he popping for me, and he's mad at me for no reason over a little argument. Like I just want him to feel me, like, come on, please. Like I'm not mad at him, man. I'm not mad. I'm fine. So he's really gonna return him? Seriously?
You're not going back
no,
in the
he didn't
mall.
go. I'm not going back in this mall. What am I gonna go back in the mall for? Oh. Well, I can't leave without him.
You can leave without him. You're a grown adult.
No, I'm not. I'm not. You guys, you can tase me, you can shoot me, whatever.
It's not nothing like
Who cares?
You need to figure out.
Who cares?
You need to figure out.
Well, I'm not leaving this mall without him.
Well, you're not leaving with him.
Joey! Oh, now you'll know me.
Come on. Come on. You're gonna leave the mall, okay?
Watch out, bro.
You are going to leave the
Watch
mall.
out, bro.
You're gonna leave the
Watch
mall,
out.
or you're gonna go to jail. Do you want to pick?
I don't give a
You want to?
Neither one of y'all. Joey!
You're gonna leave the mall, or you're going in cuffs in 3 seconds. I promise you.
Put me in the cuffs.
I will put you in the
Put me in
cuffs.
cuffs.
Okay.
I suppose she was more mad than she was letting on.
I don't give a I don't care. All right, thanks, bro. Thanks, Mom. I didn't know.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, bro. If you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me then. Yeah. You got my glasses for me? Yeah. Can you grab my glasses for me? Is your jaw okay? Thank you.
Yeah, your jaw's fine.
You're not okay now?
Hey, now you caught a felony. Good job.
All right. How long
you think I'm gonna be in jail for, huh? A couple months?
How did you do that?
And she briefly tries to make a getaway, as if that's going to help the situation.
3 to 99.
Stop. Go ahead.
Stop. This male party involved that the deputies walked out.
He was involved in a verbal dispute with this female. I was escorting the female out. Deputies were with the male.
Okay, I'll be with the male then.
No, he's too busy dealing with you.
How about you guys are handcuffing me? It only takes one of y'all. Come on
I'll be with the male then. She's about to leave. Do we need anything from him?
Yeah, we'll keep him around for a minute.
Hi.
Okay, I'm up south then.
Well, she decided to punch me in the face, so.
Okay.
1283 radio. I'm out. North Dillards.
You like your dog? All right, we'll use.
Don't look at me.
We'll use this. Look at you now. All right, I'm gonna need you to relax. Relax. Okay. They handcuffed my bag to me. Okay, I see that. I'm gonna put her in your car since she's here.
That's fine.
Cut it or you want to She's wild. She's pretty,
Don't cut my bag. No.
I mean,
Okay, then we need you to stand still then, okay? I'm not gonna go anywhere. All right.
You guys got our arms?
Yep.
Radio 12. 19.
Let's hear the cops' perspective on this.
I came down, she started getting lippy, so we were escorting her out of the mall. And then she decided to turn around and just cold cock me in the face, so.
Looks like right near Fairmount. Locally, it's on 1273. You have deputies.
We're almost done. Just relax, okay?
That's the Forerunner.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. Now welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Eli from Africa. Now we've always known that some group of people have always been pulling out the race cards, and in every single thing that happens they feel like they have been offended because the other person looks to come from a lesser race, and their race is maybe not superior to theirs. Now we've been seeing these cases happens where Latinos, Black Americans have been facing racial segregation in the diaspora. Now these people are equally citizens of these countries, but however much they have been in these countries for the longest time, they are not being treated with dignity and equality. Now they always matter when it comes to voting. They always matter when it comes to representing these countries, but it never matters when their rights are being violated. It has never mattered when they are being looked down upon. Now we've seen so many scenarios, we've seen so many karmas that have been caught on camera where a group of people or one person feels so much entitled and they feel like they are more superior. They should be treated in a more good way, or let me say as kings and lords of this generation or of their countries. And this one has always been to the expense of the black people. Now people of color have always been segregated. Now there is a notion that has been built by so many parents, by so many grandmothers to their generation, that the black generation is inferior and people from this generation are lazy, thieves and crime fraudsters. Now this has run through generations, and everyone who grew up seeing black people in the diaspora saw them as maybe criminals and all those bad names. Is it the first time you're gonna see how Hollywood is using black people in the bad way? Just see the roles they're being given now. They're being given the roles to maybe to play the roles of drug lords or criminals, something of the sort, which has always been used to depict the bad picture of black people, that these people are not contented. These people are lazy. These people are thieves. These people are fraudsters. So this one, from the notion now to the screens, and no one talks about it. I even wonder how we do accept to play these roles, even if it is chasing the bag or the money. How you call it, it is none of my problem. But how do we accept these roles? These roles that have always been there to downgrade and downplay the people of color. Now, let's see. For example, it's now campaign time in the US, and all you hear is about, I care about black people. I care about... As a matter of fact, these people don't give a shit of whatever you go through. These people don't care at all. These people are there to get your votes. After that, they go their way. They forget about you. They have always plucked the racial cards. They have always played racial games. That's where you see some people, however much they have done to these countries, however much they have represented these countries at the international level, at the Olympics or what, they do not get respect. Now, there is this one team in the UK, I mean England team. You also what happened in the Euros, when the players were discriminated. They were called monkeys. They were called names just because of missing a penalty. But when they score games, they are the better people. They are the best players. The media comes out and all that. But when they fail to score from the penalty kick, from the penalty spot, you see all these racial cards being played on them. Now, it is time we people of the black descent to wake up. It is time. Not all white people are bad, but some of them are rotten. Some of them had bought the notion that these people of color are not good at all. They are not as good as you may think. These people are criminals. They should be treated and be deported from our countries. That's not the case. They have used black people for the longest time, and this is the time the black people should wake up, unite, and make sure things works out for them. It is time to rise up. This is not the time to continually bring disunity among the black people. This is the time to wake up. This is the time to see how much people have always downplayed on us. This is the time you unite as black people. This is the time you might form groups, form even a political party, play your games. Don't involve yourself in whatever they want to pull you to. Now, I will just want to call upon our generations and the Latinos, the blacks in the diaspora. Please, you see how Hollywood has used us. You see how Hollywood has given us the dark roles that are being played in the films that we watch on our screens. It is time. It is time we start saying no to this. We've been buying these bad ideas, these rotten ideas to the core. But no one wants to talk about it. It is time we rise up. We've seen whatever is happening in Jamaica. We've seen whatever has happened in the Caribbean. Time to wake up, world. Time to wake up, black people. In Africa, this is the time to unite. Let's not play these games that they've always wanted, the boundary games, where the colonial masters used boundaries to separate us. Before they came, we were one, but as of now, we call ourselves by the name of the countries we come from. That's why you see the Dominicans say they are not black people. The Cubans say they are not